everyone, this is Lena. I'm from Premier Team Real Estate. I am a real estate agent in Austin, Texas. Today I'm actually standing in front of this house that I bought for my clients, and it's called the Reagan model. It's one story, it has 2-car garage, it has 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This house price was purchased about 6 months ago for $422,000, and now it's more than $450,000 already. The house here is built by Horton, and it is in the part of West Haven community. The address is Georgetown, but it's actually located very close to Round Rock. So it's minutes drive from the Terra Vista Golf Course to the Dell Diamond to the Kalahari New Water Park. It's about 10 to 15 minutes, and it is about 5 minutes from the Round Rock Outlet Mall. It also have very easy access to go to companies like Tesla, Apple's, easy freeway access to those companies, or even the new Samsung. So please tour with me. Horton builds this house, has 3 side bricks and stone, and then the one side in the back is stucco. Please tour with me. This has 2-car garage, 4 bedroom, and 2 full baths. And the square feet is about 21 square feet. All right, I am in the grand hallway right here. On the left side, when you enter the house, there is a full bath right in the middle between the 2 bedrooms. All of these houses have really large windows, and the windows is actually giving us a lot of good lighting. All the bedrooms have carpet, and the entire first floor, besides the bedrooms, have laminate vinyl. It looks like wood, but it's actually laminate. So this is the second bedroom, kind of the same size. All right. So here is the full bath. It also have a little window up there for more lighting to the house. The ceilings here are 9 feet high. All right, so much about this house. So let's tour it with me now and on. If you need any more information about this community and purchase a home here, please contact me. My information is at the end of the video.